Hello vintage outboard motor fans, this is T-Mike here in South Louisiana giving you an update on the Rosey motor. I named her the Rosey motor because she was brought to me by a sweet young lady who wanted to put it on her restored boat. This motor was in the attic for her father for 20 or 30 years and brought it to me. I got it in the middle of the restoring now. Got it all apart. All the parts cleaned and painted. Now normally I would have gone further with the disassemble and got the cowling off and the exhaust off, but due to some stuck bolts, the power head had some bolts up under here that are stripped, and you know, sometimes you just gotta know when to give up. If I damaged those bolts trying to get the power head off, it could end the project. Also, the tilt bolt was frozen. I couldn't get it to turn either, so I didn't want to break it. And I am having trouble with one of the clamp screws. It won't come out. I've been working on it every day with penetrating all and a pipe wrench. I'll get it. But I got her cleaned up and painted. She looks pretty good. Got all the parts here, all the rubber grommets, the steering handle. Here's all the starter solenoid, new coils. Redid the magneto, new points, new condensers. I kept this coil, it was good. Painted the rewind starter handles. There's the carburetor, completely rebuilt. Here's the shift gear, carburetor cover, silencer. I went with gray on the rewind starter. I thought that would look pretty good on that black power head. And here's all the nuts and bolts cleaned and shined up, ready to put back. And there's the red cowling cover for Rosey. So this is the best part of the restoration process, when I have her all cleaned up and ready to be reassembled. Next time you see a video of Rosey's motor, it'll be in a barrel running. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I promise to do weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.